May you have many more.
Except there's one problem.
What's the problem?
They forgot what the picture looked like of the cake.
Ooh.
And they didn't make the picture.
Yeah, but we made the corrections, right?
Yes, still it's not the same.
Yes, because we have some innovations. Okay, come on, get ready. Yeah. Okay, come on.
You like it? You go stand over and take pictures.
Fatik, show me your expressions.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
I want to say that this is the best birthday. This is mom bought for me. But look, just wait until what is in the class. Just wait until I pick up all of the gifts.
Welcome, Fatik. We are home. Dun, dun, dun.
This is what I don't need.
Yeah. Gifts. Come on, come on, come on.
Check the truck now. Check.
Yeah, hand over the balloons to Iram Abi.
Yeah. These are gifts. Well, the biggest one I really want to show you. I'll open these when we go inside the home. That's one massive. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
What about this? Your favorite.
Of course, that's the 7. And we can't forget these. And don't forget these. I think that's all. Is it? Oh wait, no, there's one more gift over here. Viewers, we have to unbox these gifts. Well, it was my birthday, so that's why I got gifts. I don't know what this first one is. Okay. You better put it inside. This is the fastest car I've ever seen. That's the one. Well, that's the second one. What about the third one?
Okay.
I hope it's the best. Open this one. Wait, do you hear that? What's inside? What's this? What's this?
Is this from Musa?
It was
Show me, show me.
It was from Musa. These are all very nice, cool gifts. The next one from my best friend.
Whoa! Fatik, please open the pink one for mom.
Yeah, these are definitely snacks.
Okay.
Okay. Now my favorite.
This one is from
Mommy.
Dado.
Oh, okay. Let's open it.
Yes, you can open it. This is your old wish.
I never done something like this.
Wow!
Just grabbing it. Oh wow. Dream come true. I've never done something like this.
Yeah, you have to thank Dadu for that.
Oh. Their birthday, I have been Kolo. Their birthday Kolo. We had to open this on my ear.
This one is from Mom. A nice clock.
Which works because we took,
This is an alarm clock.
and this is a bus.
What is that?
Where could my best friend get this from?
Maybe from Green Valley. This is best gift.
Yes, but no.
Okay, Fatik, say thanks to Aban.
Thanks, Ban.
इधर देखे ना.
Thanks, Ban. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.